Morning everybody. What day is it today? Thursday, I think. So I've got a little song for you today. Have a slurp of my coffee. Right. Right, as I said yesterday, all the songs that I do have just got 3 chords in them. I've got a C chord, an F chord, and a G7 chord. And this one's called Combine Harvester. And me people at Bacon Garth School, they like this song. We do it in the ukulele club that we have on a Wednesday. I drove my tractor through your haystack last night. Ooh-wah, ooh-wah. I threw me pitchfork at your dog to keep quiet. Ooh-wah, ooh-wah. Now something's telling me that you're avoiding me. Ooh-wah, ooh-wah. Come on, darling, you've got something I need. 'Cause I've got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester, I'll give you the key. Verse 2 coming up. I'll stick by you, I'll give you all that you need. Ooh-wah, ooh-wah, we'll have twins and triplets. I'm a man built for speed. Ooh-wah, ooh-wah, you know I love you, darling, so give me your hand. Ooh-wah, ooh-wah, but what I want the most is your acres of land. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester, I'll give you the key. Verse 3 coming up. For 7 long years I've been alone in this place. Ooh-wah, ooh-wah, eat, sleep in the kitchen, it's a proper disgrace. Ooh-wah, ooh-wah, now if I cleaned it up, would you change your mind? Ooh-wah, ooh-wah, I'll give up drinking scrumpy and lager and lime. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres, you got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester, I'll give you the key. It's the last verse, verse 4. Weren't we a grand couple at the last Wurzel dance? I wore brand new gaiters and me corduroy pants. In your new Sunday dress with the perfume smelling grand. We had our photos took of us holding hands. Last verse, I got a brand new combine harvester, I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 40 acres and you got 43. I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Whoa, yeah. I thank you. Anyway, so that's today's song. Hope you're all safe and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye. Stop. 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 Stop.